Hello everyone, today I'm going to be playing Moonstar Planet. I'm so sad because I wasted my time making a VIP YouTube video, but it deleted. I don't know why it did. So I got VIP on the female account because I'm getting 1 month on my male account, so I'm just going to get 1 week for the female account. But I'm going to make one for my male account soon. There's like not really much to see. I got the VIP face, the items. I have 2,000 starter coins left because I had 5,000. Yeah, there's not really much to see. I got from level 9 to level 11 in 2 days. Yeah. Oh, she's sending greets. I'm gonna ask if I because, as you can see, I'm struggling financially because if you think 2,000 a lot, to be honest, 1,500 will get you one decent look. So let's go shopping, or let's put something on my wish list. Oh, by the way, I only have 4 diamonds. It's actually kind of pissing me off because I always don't know what to get. I buy something, I have 400, but then done my challenges because I had the fashion week. I used to never do it, but I done it because I had VIP, and yeah. So I couldn't decide on get good hairs except for this one. So I tried good clothing. It kind of worked out. This fashion choice is actually good. I think the face, I don't like dark purplish lips because I think I just don't like them. And I like the freckles, and I like dark green eyes, so I had a pretty good VIP face. So she respond. Hopefully she says yes, because I'm poor and I'm greedy, so yep, that's me. Okay, I want to see if the old MSP hair is worthy to get, because I might get it. Strange things, because I hate aesthetic. Where is the old MSP one? It used to be in this section, so I'm only looking at that one. If I missed it, well, now I'm a little bit richer. Why is Starcoins never getting in here? Not whatever. I cannot find the old MSP one. Where is it? I know it's back here somewhere. Goofy. want this hair. It's like different shade of like licorice reds. I think that was like not really, like not 100%. This was the hair I think I was going for. And it's kind of ugly. Like, but you know. I'd be popping all day. I probably chose all my circles before the end of, like, you know, my VIP time, because it's just gonna go to waste, kind of, so. Because I cannot buy, I can buy, like, more stuff, because, like, the VIP special items, and, like, the non-VIP, because VIP is really nice, I guess. Can't believe people watch me. I'm just sad that the video didn't save. I had such a fast, like, but it's fine. It was really fast. I just got a few of the, like, this outfit, the makeup face, and me just, like, screaming, saying, I got VIP, I got VIP. Because it's fine. Everything is fine. I love my face and makeup. Ooh. Yes, this hair is alright. Ooh, I used to love this. Everyone, back in like 2015 when I used to play, everyone used to wear this, like, all the time. I adored it. Like, they used to always wear the tiger ears and then this together. I think I shouldn't. Should I buy? Should I? I'll see. Probably later though. Ooh, this hair is nice. But it also is nice and also damn expensive. So how do I survive without being VIP? That's like so hard. Shopping sprees are the best. Whatever, this hair isn't that bad. Ooh, I love this. I bought it. Judge me right now. I dare you. I'm gonna look for that. Where was that hair? The long. Wait, how much did it cost? Like 500, I think. Because I don't want to pay more than 500 for that hair. This hair is nice. I look darn beautiful. On my mail account, I'm gonna get like loads of VIP. I'm gonna start coins so you don't see me struggling with this, because I currently am. Sadly. Do I have this shirt? Okay, I'm gonna just make sure that I do not have this shirt. So I do have this shirt, and then oof. Because I think I have this shirt. No. I don't really like it anyway, so I might not get it. I like the ears. It's like an Ariana Grande vibe. Or kind of. I'm gonna look for cheap. This is cute. Okay, now I think I'm just gonna get like the most simplest pair of shorts and we'll be done. Or I already have shorts, so. Ooh, award. Spend like $1 million star coins. I have a little bit left. Where's it? Yeah, sad. I should do more on my male account, way more. But I look nice on my female account, which is always good. I love people who friend me. It's so nice. Honestly, how much I've been recording. Oof. It was 11 minutes. Sadly, soon it's gonna cut off by itself. So, yeah. I'm gonna make a cute outie. Let's see what casual sounds like. Ew, it's actually not good. Something about you makes me feel like a weird ass woman. I'm gonna go for kind of like slutty vibes. Oof, get that off. Know where the fishnets are. Them back on. Ooh. There we are. Bam, bam, cookie, man. Sluttish vibes. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. I love y'all. Bye. Just gonna crack this open. Shop famous. Yes, trigger warning. Bye.